Hey guys, what's going on? We're working on Falkor, tearing down the Turbo 400. We had some issues with it. I think we lost second gear, and air compressor decided to take a shit on us. So we go out and buy a new gauge. As you can hear, it's hissing. Let's see this stuff. Hissing from the exact same spot that the old gauge was hissing from, which is this little pressure valve here that tells it when it hits its max PSI. And yeah, for some reason, one wanted to leak out of that little tiny hole there. And so I bought a new one, figured that one was defective. And the brand new one is doing the same damn thing. All that tube does is run around, hook off the main port that fills the tank, tells you how much pressure there is, just shut it off. And brand new fucker don't work either. So what do you do? Anyway, got my buddy Tom Tilson coming over. We're gonna be going over the 400 here, looking at the damage. It's all right here. What did I do? But yeah, you can kind of see that one's a little toasted. And let's see what other issues we have right here. We got everything all tore out and ready to go for inspection. These ones don't look too bad. Those are toast, and those are kind of toast. So. All right, guys. Now we got a little bit more information on the Turbo 400 here. We think we got diagnosed what happened. Let me flip around here. Little shim here that goes off of this guy right here, right there. It was a little melted, and that caused this guy to thrust up inside here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty filed down, which created a bunch of shavings, which created a bunch of goop, which got in through here, caused everything to jam up, and second gear was going. We kind of glazed the clutches a little bit in the secondary, but that's just because the piston wasn't releasing as quick as it should, and we ran out of fluid. And under that case, it doesn't always release real quick like everybody thinks it does. It kind of does a slow release, and so it causes a greater slip. So we get some sculling right here on these clutch surfaces. Excuse me. I can't talk all of a sudden, but yeah. But anyway, so we got a donor trans out here that we're going to throw in and rob a piece out of. Here we go. See, the case all looks still pretty good. Everything's okay inside there. This damage is when we pushed the pump forward from the first rebuild. Everything else is good, but yeah. Luckily, a buddy of mine had an extra Turbo 400 laying around. Had a busted bell, so we're gonna rob the internals out of it and see if that I forget what it's called, but if it's a little bit better shape, then we're gonna throw that one in there, throw the new clutch packs in when they get here, and see what happens, and see if we get this bad boy rebuilt. But now the biggest thing is for me is just trying to remember how it goes back together. I'm usually pretty good at it, but not always the best at it, you know, but we do try. We got everything laned out. I think we're gonna be all right. We're just gonna go step by step. The only thing is I got to figure out what my tolerances are. I think it's 20 thousandths to 30 thousandths in play on the input shaft. So we will dick around with that and see what we can't figure out. But, you know, I don't know. We're just going to give it a shot. So if you want to follow along with me here and check it out. Oh, yeah. Let's show you all the nice shiny parts. Ooh, nice and clean. And through the miracle of UPS, they showed up about 15 minutes ago. So we will be able to continue. I got the clutch plates soaking right there, as you can see. Pre-soaking as we be. That's been about 20 minutes now, maybe 15, 20 minutes. So as long as that goes, we're just going to start hashtagging this thing out, banging it back together, and see what we can do, guys. All right, guys. It just was, I can't count. I had 6 in there, or 11. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. See, I can't count. I had 12 in there versus your 10 in there. So 2 extras. That's my bad. But we got figured out. Just pulled them all out. Had to count it. You know, that is what it is. But hey, at least now we can move forward and keep going on with the project. All right. Cha-chink. Okay. That guy. He's in there. Let's get our snap ring put in there and we'll be all good. Snap ring. Let's snap the ring into place, huh? Shall we, folks? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, come on, baby. Get in your sweet spot. Yes, sir. You are all the way home, all the way home. All right. For the most part, we are ready to assemble. This turbo Falkor, we're gonna put it together. Okay, let's take out this guy right there. And then we gotta take out this guy right there. And you gotta put this guy down in here. Like so, this little dots that lines up in. Banga banga. And then this guy, he drops down over here like this. Like ching 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 chinka chinka. Okay. And this guy drops down on here like so. And then this guy, it drops it down on here like so. Let's just go on the other side. Yes, let's go on this side. Right? No, that's not what was on here. See, you always gotta test yourself, guys. I was testing you. I was gonna say, oh, dumbass, he's putting it on there wrong. Actually, I just forgot. This guy goes on here. Okay. Thing stays in there like so. This guy should. And then put that guy on. Okay, come on, buddy. Find your home. Find your home. How do you know going in your home? What's going on here? Okay, we gotta pull you out first. And then drop it down in here like so. Like so. And this guy goes on here like that. Chink. There we go. Ah, we got it, guys. Alright, that's that, that's that. Now this guy is ready to drop down inside. Okay, we're going to now insert the shaft down in the hole. Okay, let's put it there. Okay. We are in place. Ah, damn it. I got to pull it out. I forgot to put my band in place. I might be able to get it in there. Let's see here. Reverse band. Oh, I didn't. Okay, this is not too good. Let's see if we could wedge it down on in there, huh? Might be able to get lucky. Okay, there's the two tabs there. Binga. So. Alright, we gotta pull it out. Okay, pull the shaft out. Take two, man. Alright. Yes. I forgot the damn reverse band. Okay, here we go. After about the 50th time, I might have this down. You know, maybe. I'm just saying maybe. Come on, you guys. Get home. Get my man. Go home. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Let's see one more. Get in your home, Jimmy. There we go. Almost. And no, not quite all the way down. Where's my big screwdriver? I gotta get a screwdriver in here. Where's my big one at? That's what she said. Where's my big one at? And I was like, I don't know. That's all I got. It says it don't want to go. Where we're supposed to be. Oh, there. All right. Woohoo! We got it. Okay, Jimmy. We got it, man. We got it. Step one, done. Well, step two, trying to get this thing down in there. Aha! Woohoo! Step two, done. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna get this guy. No. Yes, this guy. This guy goes down in there. Okay, so that's right. Okay. Yeah, I got a cut on my finger. I got to tend to. We'll get that fixed up. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I got it fingered out now. Just was having a little fitment issues. This little collar on the bearing wasn't wanting to stay in place. And we got it figured out now. A little assembly lube. And it'll drop right into place. Alright, here we go. Here we go. We'll make sure our holes line up. So I'm going to put the bolt back in this. It goes into the right spot. It should go in just like this. Alright, bring it down. Boom! Drop her home. We are home. Okay, that's it. Alright guys, we've been burning the midnight hour trying to get it going. See, it's dark out there. But we got it in. Transmission's built. Hopefully it's gonna work. We're about ready to test fire it off and see what happens here. But we did get it in, and yeah, let's peek up under there for you. Give you a little sneak peeky. Boom, see? Tranny's back in, bolted up, drive line's in. So we're about ready to fire it off here, see if we got any leaks, and test transbake. And probably all we're gonna do for today. We're gonna take it out for a test drive tomorrow. Hopefully make it up to Shoshone. Can't let those kids down. Falkor is the grand prize. They get to go for a ride in him. I thought it was pretty cool when the county offered me to go up there, and I was like, yeah, sure, that'd be pretty cool. Give the kids a ride, have some fun. I get a whole street to myself, and it's gonna be a good time. So let's fire it off here and see what happens. Hopefully got enough battery to keep her going. I don't know, we'll try. Maybe I can plug it in. Stick it off in the corner and plug it in over here. There we go. Hey. All right, let's see what happens. Alright guys, we had no leaks. It's working pretty good. We got to get us some more ATF. We're just a little bit low on the dipstick. I'm not sure if I want to try test driving it tonight or not, but we're going to get some more in the morning and give it a shot and go from there. Alright guys, well, we got it done. We got the transmission built, put back in the truck this morning, took it for a test drive, and it worked pretty damn good. Went through all the gears, let off the trans brake, everything seems good. So we got them loaded up, headed to Shoshone. We're gonna see what we can do for the fun days up there, and hopefully give the kids a good ride, give the people a good show, and as long as the tranny holds together and Falkor does what he's supposed to, it's gonna be a good time. So yep, but boom, there we are, loaded and ready for battle once again. Hell yeah. Right on guys, have a good one. Peace.